Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize bond interest withdrawals on Vanguard step by step clearly. To authorize bond interest withdrawals on Vanguard, begin by navigating to the Vanguard website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the My Accounts tab. From the drop-down menu, select Balances and Holdings. Find the account associated with your bond investments. Click on the account to view detailed information. Look for the section labeled Transactions or Withdrawals. Select Withdraw Funds from the available options. In the withdrawal type, choose Bond Interest. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review any withdrawal limits or requirements specified by Vanguard. Follow prompts to select your preferred withdrawal method. Choose between options like direct deposit or check. Review your withdrawal details carefully for accuracy. Confirm your selection by clicking the Submit button. Look for a confirmation message indicating your request was received. Check your email for any notifications regarding the withdrawal. You may also monitor your account for updates on the transaction status. Complete any additional verification steps if prompted. Keep a record of your transaction for future reference. Your bond interest withdrawal process is now initiated. Expect the funds to arrive based on the selected method and timeframe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.